Hi guys, I'm Dom Roberts and I'm here with
Ken Straka,
our UGG expert, and today he's going to be showing us how to use the UGG Care Kit. My first pair of UGG shoes was from 8th grade and I'll never forget. They were pink and they had the bows on the back. If y'all remember, hey, those were tea. All right, let's get into the video. All right, Ken, I have this shoe that's been well loved. Can you please work your magic on it?
Yes, this is our wonderful UGG Care Kit. Getting into the products that we have in here is the cleaner and conditioner. This is great for cleaning, conditioning, taking care of your products after they get dirty. We have the Shoe Renew. This is great for anti-odor, helps eliminate odors inside the shoe. The Protector. The Protector is great for preventative care, so applying this every 6 months. We have a suede erasure. This is good for touching up the product when you get some minor dust on it. And then we have a brush. The brush is good for combing the suede. So let's get started. Going to be using the cleaner and conditioner. One important thing to note is you don't want to apply this directly onto the shoe. We'll be applying it indirectly onto the brush that we have here. Start by getting the shoe damp. Next step we're going to do is to take the cleaner and conditioner, applying a small amount onto the brush, and then what we'll do is applying it onto the shoe. It needs about 24 hours to sit and settle into the material.
All right, now that we're going through the order of the Care Kit, I would love to see how you apply the protector spray.
Important thing to do is before you start applying it to the shoe is to shake well, get everything mixed up. It's important for the boot that when you are spraying it, you want to be about 6 inches away from the boot. If you get too close, it will become oversaturated in an area. If you're too far away, it's not saturating the boot enough. Make sure you're also in a well-ventilated area, and then just start applying it to the boot, covering the whole surface, and then you want to make sure to let it sit. It needs about 24 hours to sit and settle into the material, and then after 24 hours, you would brush the fibers again to rejuvenate the suede and re-agitate it again.
All right, Ken, this shoe has been drying for 24 hours after using the protector spray, and I would love to see you do a water test on it.
You can see how it just naturally beads off.
It's magic. All right, Ken, for the protector spray, how often would you recommend spraying your shoe?
Depends on usage. However, a good rule of thumb is about every 6 months.
Ken, thank you so much for coming in today and spreading your knowledge. If you guys don't have the UGG Care Kit, it's gonna be your best friend to make sure there's longevity in your shoe, keeping your shoes fresh, looking good, smelling good, and all those important things. So if you don't have a Care Kit, make sure to grab one. Thank you so much for joining us today, and we can't wait to see you guys again soon.